If you're selling sublimation products on Etsy, Shopify, or at craft fairs, there's a good chance you're underpricing your products without realizing it. In this video, I'll show you how to use this free Sublimation Profit Margin Calculator to estimate your real costs, calculate profitable pricing, and avoid the most common pricing mistakes beginners make. A lot of sublimation sellers only calculate the blank cost and ink cost. But real pricing should also include labor, packaging, Etsy fees, failed prints, overhead, and shipping supplies. That's exactly what this calculator helps you estimate so you can build a more sustainable business instead of guessing your prices. Let's start with a simple tumbler example. First, enter your blank cost. Then add your sublimation ink cost, transfer paper cost, packaging, and any additional supply expenses. Even small consumable costs matter over time, especially when you start selling products consistently. Now let's calculate labor. This is one of the biggest pricing mistakes beginners make because many people accidentally treat their time like it's free. Enter the number of minutes it takes to design, print, press, and package the product, then enter your target hourly rate. The calculator automatically estimates your labor cost per item. Next, choose your marketplace. If you sell on Etsy, the calculator automatically estimates transaction and processing fees. You can also switch between Shopify, craft fair mode, or custom pricing setups depending on how you sell your products. This helps you avoid hidden fees quietly destroying your profit margins. Now, enter your desired profit margin. Most successful sublimation businesses usually aim for margins somewhere between 40 and 70% depending on the product type. As you adjust the margin goal, the calculator updates your recommended selling price automatically. Here you can see your total production cost, estimated marketplace fees, suggested selling price, estimated profit, and final margin percentage. This makes pricing much easier because you're no longer relying on random pricing multipliers or copying competitor prices. Instead, you're building pricing based on real business costs. One important thing to remember is that pricing should change depending on where you sell. Etsy pricing usually needs higher margins because of platform fees and shipping costs. Craft fairs work differently because customers can buy in person, which removes shipping costs and often increases impulse purchases. That's why using a calculator like this creates much more accurate pricing than using one universal formula. If you want to stop underpricing your sublimation products, I'll leave the calculator link in the description below. You can also explore more sublimation business guides, Etsy pricing tutorials, and product strategy articles on Subli Genius Print. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the next sublimation business tutorial.